Hi, this is Manat Jagya. This is another lecture of the Capsule Literature series. Today I will continue to discuss with you the questions asked in Maharashtra set 2021. So the first question is Matthew Arnold's model of culture was based on. The options given in the paper were A. Industrialization, B. Scientific progress, C. Material prosperity, and D. Eternal purification, integrity, and abstinence. Abstinence, the meaning of abstinence is control, by the way. Now, Matthew Arnold's model of culture was based on. Remember, Matthew Arnold was against industrialization, and all the three options A, B, and C have a similar idea: industrialization, scientific progress, material prosperity. So, obviously, these three are wrong because Matthew Arnold was against industrialization, scientific progress, and material prosperity. So, the option D is correct: internal purification, integrity, and abstinence. See, if you consider Matthew Arnold, he was an English poet, he was a cultural critic, but he also worked as an inspector of schools, which relates to discipline, control, abstinence, integrity, purification. So obviously the option D is correct: internal purification, integrity, and abstinence. The next question is quite easy. Thomas Hardy's which novel has this line? Happiness is but an occasional episode in the general drama of pain. So these are the final lines of the novel The Mayor of Casterbridge by Thomas Hardy. The Mayor of Casterbridge was published in the year 1886. And these lines, happiness is but an occasional episode in the general drama of pain, these lines Thomas Hardy says about Elizabeth Jane at the end of the novel, and these final lines depict the theme of suffering, family values, and so on. Also remember, this novel, The Mayor of Casterbridge, is one of Thomas Hardy's Wessex novels. Next question. To thee I call, thou goddess of torment, thou cruel wight, and sorrowest even when in pain. Help me, that I am the sorry instrument that helpeth lovers as I can to plain. Where are these lines from? So these lines are from Troilus and Cressida by Chaucer. Remember, Troilus and Cressida is a play by William Shakespeare, but it is also an epic poem by Geoffrey Chaucer. And this epic poem is based on what? It is based on the Troy. It is based on the fall of Troy. It is set in the backdrop of the siege of Troy, and this epic poem, Troilus and Cressida by Chaucer, is written in rhyme royale. Next, and the last question of this short lecture, the concluding line of Spenserian stanza is called. The concluding line of Spenserian stanza is called the Alexandrine. Remember, Alexandrine is the last line of the Spenserian stanza. What is a Spenserian stanza made up of? First of all, who invented it? It was invented by Edmund Spenser for his epic poem, The Fairy Queen. And a Spenserian stanza is made up of 8 lines of iambic pentameter and 1 line of iambic hexameter, which is the Alexandrine. Remember, this final line, Alexandrine, has a caesura. Caesura means pause. And what is the rhyme scheme of Spenserian stanza? A, B, A, double B, C, B, C, C. A, B, A, double B, C, B, C, C. So that's all for this short session. Thank you.